Hi, today's video is regarding hooponopono, where one of the viewers has asked a very interesting question. And this person has said that if I chant hooponopono, which means if I chant, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, will I not attract back that love? So my assumption is that if you're asking this question, either the relationship is broken or you are wanting to get out of the relationship. Whatever that scenario is, there is deep emotional pain inside, deep emotional hurt inside that you want to deal with. And in that context, you are thinking that if I am letting go of that person or I am moving out of that relationship, will it not get back the love which I am moving away from? To explain this, I want your absolute concentration here. Listen very carefully. In a scenario where, say for instance, you've had a fight with your spouse, okay, or partner, and it was a very intense fight. It has been happening for some time and there is a lot of pain associated with it. But you know that you, both of you are in a committed relationship, committed to each other and wish to continue with that relationship. But somehow these fights, these arguments are leading to a lot of pain inside. In that scenario, you will bring that person inside your head and then address this prayer to that person saying, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You are addressing to that person and you don't mind because you know deep in your heart that you're going to continue with the relationship and you love this person. Okay, so from that perspective, when you chant this, then yes, you can get the love back. In broad terms, if I say, that is possible. Okay, now that is one scenario. But in a scenario where you are parting ways and you do not want to get back to that person and then chanting hooponopono, there is a slightly different intention there. So that being the case where you are getting separated or are already separated, before you start hooponopono, you are going to sit and set the intention first. What is the intention? Listen carefully. The intention is, may there be peace within me, may there be peace within that person, and may there be peace in this situation. Okay, whatever that situation might be, whatever that peace might mean to him or her, and whatever that peace means to you. So the intention is peace in me, peace in the other person, and peace in the situation. Along with that, if you really want to part ways with that person, then the second part of the intention is very important. And the second part of the intention says, I release you, I let you go, you release me, and let me go. That is the second part of the intention if you want to separate, okay, or you are already separated. All right, I repeat, intention one is peace within me, within the person, and in the situation. Part two of the intention is I release you, you release me. Okay, that's the second part of the intention. And third thing you will say is our karmic account is now closed. All right, so you are letting that person go or you are moving out of that person by saying that the release, we are releasing each other and karmic account is closed. You be happy, I will also be happy. Okay, this is what you will do. Now, when you chant hooponopono, there are, you will chant from the perspective that I am sorry for whatever happened. All right, please forgive me for whatever has happened. Okay, you might say that the mistake is not mine. The entire mistake or whatever happened because of her or him. It doesn't matter. Okay, don't get into that nitty-gritties there. So I am sorry, please forgive me for whatever happened. Thank you for forgiving me. Okay, and very importantly, you're also saying thank you because whatever has happened between you and your spouse or your partner, in that process, in that journey, there are a lot of things you have learned. There are a lot of lessons you have learned. You have grown as a person. You have evolved. You have become more mature. You have seen that other side of you which you realize needs healing. So all this has happened because of that person, because of the situation that person created. So you are going to say, thank you for all of this. Because if this person was not there, if the situation was not there, you would not have evolved. You would not have had those realizations which you had. Okay? You would not have grown. So thank you for all of this. Because of you, I am evolving, growing, moving on in life, becoming a better version of myself. Okay? I love you for whatever you have created, because this has ultimately been of help to me. You may not be able to see the good that has happened at that point in time. It doesn't matter. But there is definitely something good that has happened, which you will get to see later in life. So I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. We'll have a slightly different perspective, okay, wherein you're letting the person go with apologies, in the sense that please forgive me for whatever was done, and I thank you for creating this situation. I've evolved, and I love you for whatever you did, because I've become a better version of myself. And that's how you close. When you do that, okay, you will experience peace within you. That person will also experience peace within her or within him, okay? And that's how then, if your intention is to part ways, you will part ways, okay? Later on, you might want to connect again as a friend. That's a different matter. But the context in which you were parting ways is the context which will dissolve, your pain will dissolve, and later on, if you want to, attract that person again, or you want to connect with that person again, that's also possible. So have you understood this aspect of when you are getting separated or already separated? I love you is not going to pull back that love, but it is going to help you to attain internal peace. Okay, it is going to help you to dissolve those patterns which attracted those kind of situations. If this is clear to you, please write in the comment box, I understood. Write in the comment box, I understood. And should you still have questions, please feel free to write in the comment box, and I will take it up for you, either in the form of another video, or I will write my answers there itself. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed and watching this for the first time, do click the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get these notifications. And like this video if you think that this has resonated with you or your situation, and do send it to all of the people who you think will be able to benefit from this video. Any other topic on hooponopono or related to relationships, if you want me to prepare, just let me know in the comment box itself. Thank you so much. You take care. Bye.